proud to confer the Bharat Ratna Dr. Bhupen Hazarika National Award upon Shrimati Rajni Basumatri on this day, 3rd November 2025, in recognition of a remarkable contribution to Indian cinema and for nurturing cultural dialogue between Bodoland, Assam, the Northeast, and the rest of India. A filmmaker, actor, and humanitarian, Rajni Basumatri has given Indian cinema a deeply human voice from the Northeast. Through films like Rag, The Rhythm of Love, Jalai, The Seed, and Wild Swans, she has turned memory and pain into stories of courage, hope, and reconciliation. Her art heals as it inspires, echoing Bhupen Hazarika's belief that culture unites where words cannot. Beyond the screen, she carries this spirit through her social work and storytelling, building empathy across hearts and regions. In honoring her, Sarhad celebrates not only a filmmaker but a bridge builder whose vision turns compassion into cinema and hope into heritage.
Please join me in welcoming Srimati Rajni Basumatri ji from Assam to the stage with a huge round of applause. To honor the award, I would request Honorable Union Minister Shri Jyotiraditya Scindia sir and other dignitaries. The award consists of a memento, citation, check of rupees 51,000, a shawl from Maharashtra, and a Fulam Gamusa, pride of Assam. Now I request Srimati Rajni Basumatri ji to kindly deliver a short speech.
Khulumbai, Namaskar. Warm greetings to the respected dignitaries sitting here and everyone present here today. Standing here today, receiving the Bharat Ratna Dr. Bhupen Hazarika National Award, my heart is filled with deep gratitude and humility. To be honored in the name of a legend, excuse me, whose music united hearts and whose words bridge worlds is a blessing without measure. As the civil rights activist Maya Angelou once said, I come here as one, but I stand here as 10,000. I'm standing here today holding the baton of my parents and all my ancestors who came before me. They are with me. Today, I feel the words of Maya Angelou in my every heartbeat. I come as one, but I carry within me the spirit of my tribe, Boro community, the love of my parents, and memories of my brothers who are no longer in this world, and the strength of my ancestors who walked before me. They're unseen, but never forgotten. Every story that I have told through cinema is their story of resilience, of identity, and of beauty found even in struggle. From the hills and plains of Assam to the distant corners of the world where our stories are now reaching, I have only been the messenger. The voices belong to them, to us. This award is a tribute to all those who believed that our stories matter, that our arts can heal, connect, and inspire. I thank Sarhadj Pune for recognizing the voices from the Northeast, for seeing the heart of India in its farthest corners, and for carrying forward the legacy of Dr. Bhupen Hazarika, who taught us that music, like love, knows no borders. I accept this honor with deep humility and dedicate it to my community, to my people, to my family, and to every young dreamer who believes that their story deserves to be heard and to be told. Thank you from the depths of my heart.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your valuable words. The next recipient of the Bharat Ratna, Dr. Bhupen Hazarika National Award.